no matter what your experience with nature is, it doesn't matter. I am like the most novice nature person, but I have learned so much. And this is such a supportive environment. It's safe, it's nurturing.
Yeah, I would say whatever the activity is, you know, you come as you are, what you know. Everybody's shared things, like, so we've learned not just from the instructors, but from each other. There's just such a wealth of knowledge that you get to tap into and, you know, trade ideas and recipes and, you know, how to grow things and ways to cook with things you never even thought possible. Like, we had goldenrod cornbread, and it was the best cornbread I've had in my life. So who knew that the little yellow flowers, right, could be so yummy?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. And I would say the mix of the environment here is only do what you're comfortable with, but the inspiration to step out of your comfort zone is unmatched.
Yeah.
It's great. It's wonderful.
Right. I think in one of the guidelines it says lean into your discomfort.
Yes.
And if you do that, like, it's like magic, like
Yeah.
doors open. It's amazing.